and you start with a minus b equals 0, and you try to show that 0 is equal to 0, then this doesn't make sense. So if this is what you want to show, you ignore this equals to 0, you start working with a minus b equals something, equals something, equals something, and the last will be 0. You don't take that 0 from the beginning. Okay? Well, we're still going to do mathematical proof, then some of these things you get used to it over time. Alright? Okay, so this is settled. Now this. I give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes. If you don't get it in class, you don't make a 10, I won't solve it and I'll bring it back as your quiz question.
Oh no.
Like, holy moly, I know.
Oh, can we?
Just do it on paper. And talk to someone now.
Talk to someone.
Wait, did I put the right question? Y, Z, X, Z, X, Y. Yeah, X, Y, Z. Yes, correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just double checking something. So
Okay.
if I have a to the power of x plus b to the power of x equals a.
No. No, sir.
Oh, is it? No, it's a plus.
That's not right, sir. A to the power x plus b to the power x is not a plus b to the power
Oh,
x.
because it means that this is happening
This
before
is
that.
x times, yeah.
It wasn't too.
Are we
It
allowed
just stays
to-
apart, right?
What?
It just stays apart, right?
What do you mean?
Like,
Why do you even need what you're asking me?
I don't know. Just trying things out. You think
It has nothing to do with that, so
You
that's
think-
why I'm
no.
confused.
You think I found out the log a over log x thing by like actually thinking? I just kept on like guessing until something.
Well, you get something
sounded right.
sensible.
Are we allowed to add log in front of the XYZ? The base?
Of course, but the best way to do this is not to include 1. So all I need you to do is simplify this and make sure you get 1.
Yeah.
Not trying to work everything like this. Just like this. You see, I've differentiated between the two sides. Okay? Like, just like here. They do not know each other from the beginning. Then later they meet again. Oh, welcome my friend. Something like that. You know? So here, they're going to unfriend themselves on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. Then they come back for a reunion later. Okay, that's how it is done. So they can miss each other and meet, you know.
No, that
like
was
that. So I do not expect you to work with 1 from the beginning. You leave that 1 out of it, out of the whatever you're doing, and make sure you get 1 at the end of the day. That's how to prove. Yeah, the end of the whole stuff. Very nice stuff. Very nice. Dude, it's very nice.
Okay, yeah, I understand. I need to wait till we solve the 3 hours.
Leo, get on with your work and stay out of my business.
Should we pause this?
Okay. I might say something like ain't just
Or
leave
then
it be.
just... Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You got something? You cancel out?
How did you cancel already?
That's it. Oh,
How do you already cancel?
did you use this property? Did you combine this already?
Huh?
Huh?
I did this.
Dude, what is that?
I don't know.
I didn't get that. Can't you combine these two as one log?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
To make it look like this?
That's what you do. That's the first thing you do.
That's what I was wondering.
Firstly.
He kept asking me, a raised to power x plus b to power x, maybe it will be a plus b to power x. I'm like, dude, what has this got to do with anything?
That's not even true though.
That's not even true.
That's all that is.
Or maybe it will be that. I'm like, dude, what are you doing? It has nothing to do with it. Do you get what I mean, right?
Yes, yeah.
All right, so.
I don't know.
We're both friends. Yes. We got at least that part correct.
But I didn't even combine it.
You didn't even combine the three of them,
咁
right?
係 y 除 z。
Yeah, you don't have to. You simplify each
So
of them
log y
and you can
times
see
z.
something.
哦。
I'm looking at log 7 and just not confused by all.
Stay out of my business. You mind your business.
Why is it?
Why is it October 1st?
Why at Nigeria?
Because it's October 1st too.
For real?
It's October 1st.
Dude, that's what I've been trying to tell you. We have a lot of
It's just that China's a
similarity.
bigger country.
Both countries are the largest in their continent. Okay?
Oh.
China's a bigger country.
Is Nigeria that big?
200 million, not big enough.
How much is it bigger than
Macau is less than a million, dude.
In China, we have at least 2 billion. 2 billion.
China is 1 point.
Macau?
It is 3 something now. Imagine China facing a country in a battlefield.
We're literally.
Everybody will just surrender. Okay, I give up
1 versus 11.
1 to 8 or something.
Yeah, so
It's like 8 of you trying to fight 1 of me. I'm just gonna give up. I give up.
Can I just cancel it?
Right.
Can I just cancel this 3, cancel the 8, cancel whatever?
Why would you just cancel without any reason? You remember, you did something like that, right? You need to put a bracket. So when you have your bracket, explain what that bracket means. Open the bracket. How do you open this bracket? So D, this is to maybe M. What does this mean?
X cubed. X times N, Y times.
Power, not times.
Oh, power. Oh, not power.
Are you copying her?
That looks funny different.
Oh, okay. Have you done it already?
Yeah, like I didn't get it and then I saw her.
Okay. See, this is how you get it. When you teach someone what is told, then you know it also.
Yeah.
Understood? Okay, shall we do this now?
Yes.
I think a lot of people have done it, so let's do it together
Be
now.
confused for a few more times.
Confused.com? Okay, so this is how I'm going to do it. Do you know what I mean by LHS?
No.
That's hands up.
Left hand side.
Oh.
I don't know what you're doing in this class anyway. You know everything already. So this is left hand side. So I'm starting with my left and I'm going to establish it till I get the right hand side, which is 1. So for my left hand side, x log y divided by z, agreed?
Yes.
Multiplied y log z divided by x. Yes? Then z, what was z? Right?
Yes.
Then I can recall that. Okay? I just applied log 1. So is it log 1 or 2? 2. The division. Okay? Then from here I can use this law which allows me to swap the position. Okay? And that will be y over z to power log x this time. Okay? Multiplying z over x to power log y. Yes?
We're doing this.
And this? Am I lost? Am I any error? Vina, are you question? Hey, excuse me. Understood. Okay. X over y log z, right? Okay? So this is using the 10th property. Okay? So from here, simple algebra. I just open the brackets. If I open the brackets, what do I have? Y to power log x divided by Z to power log X.
Oh!
Calm down, dude.
I get it.
Then Z log Y. And this will be what? X log Y. This will be X log Z. And this will be Y log Z. Now please look up. Do not be confused. This and this cannot cancel. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Even though they look like, oh, denominator, no. So you still have to make sure you have something that can cancel. Can you look at it and tell me what I need to do? What property I need to apply next? 10 again. I need to apply 10 and make some of them change their position so something can cancel. So I need this. Can you look at where X and Y are connected? Here. Okay? So I can change this to make it look like that. And I can, okay? So this remains Y to power log X. This is Z to power log X. Then, now this is Z to power Y. I don't have a business with that yet. But here I can change it to Y to power log X. Okay? So before I change this, I need to be sure, okay, if I leave this the way it is, then I will have to change that.
Yeah.
And because I left this the way it is, I'm going to have to change this. So I'm going to leave this the way it is.
Okay.
Z log Y. So the ones I change, I'm going to put it in different color now. So this is Y log X. This is going to be Z log X. And this is going to be Z log Y. Yes? Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I applied log 10 on these three. Let me make sure this point is captured.
Yeah,
Okay.
just now.
I applied log 10 on this. So this is by log 10 again. So such that something cancels out, right? So what's that? This cancels that. This goes for this, and this goes for that, and everything becomes 1, and which is now your right hand side. This is how to prove. You start from 1, you get to the other part.
Nice.
Nice.
Wow.
Mr. Nice.
Clarissa, did you get it?
Clarissa, did you get it?
Oh my god, you have to use it.
You know Clarissa can be a baby sometimes, so I'm treating her like a baby too. You didn't get it. Okay, so that's it. Interesting, isn't it? Very nice. Very nice.
Would this be considered a hard question?
Who gives you this as hard question? This is just normal stuff.
Oh God, please don't come on the test.
Randy, are we dropping?
Oh.
Whatever happens to you wanting to do a math major with me?
Can you try
Are we going
this?
to orbital again?
No, Lillian is going to Cambridge.
See?
No, Lillian is going to
You're
Cambridge
dumb.
around the world.
You're dumb, Brad.
You're all dumb. What are you talking about?
You didn't know. Mr. Daniel.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Daniel.
Yeah.
喂，等我哋點解你轉咗中間個轉咗邊轉㗎？哦，即係無論點都要轉嘅啫。即係如果轉咗呢個，但係唔轉嗰兩個 equation 其實係啱嘅，但係淨係落咗入去嘅。
Try that.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
What has Jesus got to do with this? So the base is in form of power, the number is also in form of power. It's very sweet, very sweet. Try it.
Just saying, that's something really dumb I thought of doing for a long time. You know what I originally thought of doing?
What's that?
What I originally thought I could do
Do what?
is I could put this here, I could put this here, and they both be one city.
No way. Well, that would have been nice if you can swap their positions. But even if you swap their positions, x to the power log x is not 1. Unless the base is 1. The base is x.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
No, wait, you're going to change this to x?
Yes.
Or change this to y?
I was originally thinking of putting the x up there, yes, and the y up there.
Please, you have to also make sure that whatever you do has to be sensible to you. And if somebody had shown you that, would you question it further? If the answer is yes, then you are yet to answer all the underlining questions. Again, this is a number which the log is acting on. Okay?
Huh?
The base is this.
Oh, I thought it was a power.
No, I know. So this part can come back, yes. But I'm telling you that this is like 2, 3, 4.
Mr.
base.
Daniel, I think I have
No, that's even easier than I thought.
Yes, this one's not
Okay, it's even easier than I thought. Done? Okay, finish. Quite easy, right? Oh,
Can someone remind me law 6? No. The one that you put the other side and you eliminate the log. Remember? Can I see all the logs? Yep, it's law 6.
How do you get this? So, this step is not convincing. It's right, but it's not so convincing. What did you do to take this out? For m is a number. This is a base. A to power m is a base. I'm not getting your assumption there. First, you got the solution. Look at this. Look at this. This is 9, for example, and this is 5. There is no law that talks about what happens here. Yes. You have 5, and this is written as 3 squared. Nothing tells us how these two can move. You only know if this is maybe to power k. You only have a property that says your k can multiply the log. You don't have a property that talks about the power of the base. And that's what you have assumed. Okay, so think again. Has anyone done it? This one? Yeah, some people have you done it? Okay.
Wait, I lost something. Wait, can I see the log?
So this is that. Yeah, that's it. Just one step thing. Akita, I think the best thing you should do is just change the base from here. Just change the base and it's easier than that. Okay? Oh.
Slowly draining.
Oh, wait. Then what is this n again? From here, just change the base.
You mean like?
Oh, log. Whatever log.
Let's go. Fucking God,
Yeah. So simplify that one.
you gotta get off.
Okay.
Wait, do you mean? For that one? There's no solving one. It's just it's the same thing. You got Huh?
Oh my God.
My names.
Huh?
I think I was just waiting. Nice to meet you.
That's so dumb. Just change the base. That's so dumb.
So check the base, right? That's what most of you did. Okay, so log something, log something. So this is a to power m, and this is a to power m, and that's it. And m comes to the back, then log a cancels the a.
Listen, Daniel, why did you give us that question after all?
I just want to test how fast people can think as well. Okay, so can you take note of any mistake you might have made? And Nakita, can I correct something? What did I see when you write? I can see you are getting used to the mathematical symbol and the way of writing, which is a good thing. However, this, it means implies. Okay, when you are simplifying an expression, so I want to simplify maybe a to power 5, and I say, oh, a to power 5 equals a to power 4 times maybe plus 1. Okay, this is equal to a to power 4 times a to power 1. It's still equal. But when I'm solving an equation, maybe x to power 2 equals 25, but I say this whole thing implies that x is equal to square root of 25. This step, so I can put it here or I can put it here, implies that x is equal to plus or minus 5. So you can see my equality is in between the equation. Here, I'm still simplifying, okay? So when you use this, most especially when you're equating each step by step. But this is an expression, for example. You are saying this will be equal to this. This will be equal to that. So I think this shouldn't be used when you're simplifying. But when you're solving an equation like this, you could use it to connect line by line like that. Okay? But it means imply. So very good. Okay, so let's move on. Any other questions? Somebody wants me to try? No? Okay. So let's look at sort. Sort is not a topic to be taught in your syllabus. Sort is expected to be known before now. So we're just going to review it because I believe you have had some idea of sort. Yes? No?
What are shares, first of all?
You don't know what I mean by sort?
Give
Oh,
us
I just realized I'm speaking some language you don't understand.
Yes.
Okay.
We didn't learn that.
You learned sort before?
No, like in school.
In school you did not? Form 4, no?
Never.
Oh boy.
Lillian followed it.
No, wait, why didn't we learn shares?
That's what she said in school.
So
that means she didn't do that.
Okay, never mind. So let's look at it. Because sort will be used. So sometimes, oh, leave your answer in sort form, leave your answer in this. We're going to use it in complex number. That is why the topic needs to be taught. So if you have not learned it, I don't mind, we'll do it today and maybe one of our classes on Thursday. After all, like I said, the first unit by my timeline is meant to be completed by October 6th, and we are just like 4 or 5 days ahead of that, so which is fine. So I can have 2 classes on sort. That's okay. Okay? So we can begin binomial theorem later on Thursday. All right, I'm gonna leave that there. The smiley face is smiling at you.
Wait, is it also Nigeria's Independence Day?
Have you been listening to this class conversation?
Low.
Have you been listening?
做咩啊？
All right.
Let me-
Yes, it's
come on.
Independence Day. I think we're 50. 1960. That's 59, right? 1960, that would be 59. So you guys are like
I thought we-
11 years older. So like big brother.
1969?
1960.
1960.
China is 70, right? So
No,
that's-
China is 49.
no way.
Yes.
What do you mean 49? I've been seeing 70 something anniversary or whatever. I'm like,
Wait.
你讲年。
Oh yeah, year. In terms of year.
yeah.
Oh,
that's
it's
what I'm saying.
70. Wait, 80.
49?
Wait, so the year that
Yeah, I thought you said like 1996.
China, blah blah blah.
Oh, like
So 2019 subtract by 1949.
Well, you do the math.
What?
70, something like that.
Okay, so let's look at radicals and surds.
Yes, and I need
You love my heart.
Aww.
It's just a crossed out P.
Really? Okay, let's look at radicals and surds quickly. What is he talking about?
My pen disappeared.
That we are about to explain it. Just let's begin. That's the point. Now I'm just going to go straight to the point, so we don't waste time writing irrelevant stuff. So any number in form of roots is radical. But a surd is the one that doesn't give you a rational number. Any number, that's right. Any number in the form that. Does that make sense? Root 4 is going to be 2. So 2 is not irrational. 2 is rational. This will give you an exact number. Okay, so it's not a surd. But because it's in form of square roots, it belongs to this set of radicals.
11.
Okay, root 11 also. Anything that has this root thing, they are
So you
called
put-
radicals.
But you put the bottom one also.
This one?
A surd is a radical.
Oh,
This- the one that doesn't give you a rational number. 2 gives you, this root 4 gives you a rational number, right? If I have root 49, I get a rational number.
yeah.
So it's not a surd.
Oh,
If I have root 81, I get a rational number.
oh, so those are all rational numbers, but
Yes.
not surd, but root
Well,
11
what
is
about
surd.
maybe root 101?
That's like -5.
Surd.
That's it one.
Oh.
So all surds are radicals, but not all radicals are surds. Does it make sense? Confused? You look confused. Okay. Any number that has this is a radical. Okay? But after when you evaluate the value and you do not get an exact number, then you have a surd.
So even if it's a fraction, it's not a surd.
So if you have square root of maybe 16 over 25, this is going to be 4 over 5. This is rational. So it's not a surd. Okay? Because you are going to end up getting a number you don't have to approximate. Then it is not a surd. But anyone that gives you something that you have to, I can't write everything, I have to stop somewhere, that you are dealing with a surd.
So basically,
like this.
irrational radicals are.
No. Irrational radical, what do you mean? Oh, okay, the radical that gives you a rational number, is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Yes, that's surds. Any questions? So now, some properties needs to be observed in surd. I want you to test this for me with numbers. I want you to check